Temperature-wise, you might not find this to be amazing, but I think the Penguins will. We have the colder air that's dropping in, 39 up in Franklin. We have some 30s and 40s up to the north. By the time you get to Pittsburgh, we touch back into the 50s, and no more 60s on the board at the moment. Our temperatures are going to be cooling off, and once you get into the weekend, just know these temperatures will step down even more. Colder temperatures still to the northwest. Erie's at 32, 34 in Michigan. That's the colder air that's going to drop in for this weekend. So initially, we're going to see some precipitation come in as rain. It's going to sneak in from the south. So we're going to get more rain coming in, something we don't need because we still have our flood advisory that continues until 7 a.m. Sunday for the Point. The Mon Wharf likely going to get filled up with water, and we're going to see some of that water going up on the North Shore Riverwalk. So if you're taking a stroll anytime this weekend, you might have to avoid some high water on the North Shore. But as it stands, over the next 24 hours, these temperatures are going to fall down likely to the, by early morning, mid-40s, and then we'll bounce back a little bit during the afternoon tomorrow, getting to the upper 40s as that rain moves in. But the backside of this system is going to stir up some snow, and on Futurecast, you're going to see how this works out. So initially, we start the weekend off with clouds. Those clouds stick with us through the weekend into late tomorrow when the rain turns on. That rain south to north across the region. We could see a couple batches of this rain on the steadier to heavier side. Once we get to Sunday, still some scattered rain showers, but a transition over to snow. And I don't think we're looking at big snow for Sunday. Maybe a coating to potentially an inch as you get to the base of the ridges, 1 to 3 up in the ridges. So not even really problematic snow the way things are going right now. But it will be cold enough to go back to more typical weather for this time of year. 44 clouds. Mild temperatures, and yes, we're probably going to see some pockets of fog trying to settle in, especially with the winds backing off later tonight. Tomorrow, we find our temperatures back to the upper 40s. Later in the day, we're talking later afternoon and the evening, we have a better chance to see rain. It won't be quite as warm, and our temperatures are going to step down even more on Sunday. Actually, Sunday's one of those weird days where our temperatures fall throughout the day. So our temperatures will be falling off, and we'll see a transition from rain over to snow, maybe a couple flurries on Monday. Tuesday, Wednesday, some pockets of rain and snow, and then Thursday, Friday of next week, we'll brighten things up with a little sunshine.